Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Alright, so you're moving on. The next one is problem 10. This one. Alright, so basically it's just a matter of drawing circles. There are two circles here. This one has an external tangency with this circle, then this circle, then this, then these ones. Alright, so let's start. So the first step you do is to draw a horizontal line. Then you bisect. Then you have our two midpoints. You continue from there. This is going to be big. Let me bring it up here. So that's my horizontal line. Let me just use this to get my straight line through. Now we have two perpendicular lines. Now the first one has a diameter of 45 and a diameter of 90. So it used to be 45 divided by 2 and 90 divided by 2. So 22.5 and 45. Then pick 22.5. And pick the 45. Yeah. I'm given that the distance from here to this place is 180. So let's measure 180. Is 18 centimeters. So 180, 18 centimeters is here. So let's draw the horizontal line at that point. Oh, that's gone even. This is better. Now I'm given that this has a radius of 45, radius of 90, 20 millimeters from that side. So let's draw that one. So you measure 23 millimeters from this side. That's 2.3. 1, 2, 3. 2.3 is around here. And radius of 90. So let's pick 90. That's 90. So let's draw. Alright. So stand here. let's adjust now. Yeah, so that's my 90. Next one is 45. Sorry, wrong position. You're supposed to stand at the midpoint of the line. Right, so you continue. This one goes up a bit. So now it's look to this side, having a radius of 45. Alright, so we will pick 45. We'll stand here. Yes, I'm like. Yes, I need to. Okay, like. Stand here. This line is short, so let me extend this line a bit. Now what is left is to get this radius of 7, meaning a diameter of 40. So you stand here and take 7 and you scribe an arc. And you have that point to be 7. So now with one part. Now what is left with is this side. But remember they are touching externally with a straight line, right? Alright, so we're going to construct this tangent line. The first step you do is to bisect the distance between their centers. Let's do that. So you step your open to more than half. You scribe an arc. You scribe an arc. More than half. You scribe an arc. You scribe an arc. Oh, so you're moving on. Spend too much time. So you bisect this line too. Right, so next step, you stand here, open to the center. Okay, I've already open to that. And inscribe an arc. Now stand here, open to where you inscribe the arc. And inscribe an arc here. So that's where the line of tangency will be. Alright, so this radius of 32 is an external tangent. So we are going to add this has a radius of 45. So 45 plus 32, that's 77. So let's pick 77. So you stand here and you inscribe an arc. Now this radius is 90, so 90 plus 32, that's 122. So 12.2. So you stand here, you inscribe an arc. Then now open to your 32, 3.2. So now you have to join these two circles with a tangent line. You're going to draw the tangent line from this circle. And we have our shape now.